Hi everyone, I'm here to do another unboxing. I'm so excited about this. This is my most exciting so far because this is my dream bag. I've been wanting this bag since it came out in 2011, so you guys might be able to guess. So let me cut this open. Okay, are you guys as excited as me? Because I'm super excited. So this is how it came. Okay. So it's all bubble wrapped. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so exciting. And it didn't come with the box, but that's fine. I mean, as long as it's authentic, and that's what I'm worried about. And I did get this authenticated prior to purchase, and obviously I'm gonna get it authenticated again as soon as I film this video. Oh my gosh. Do you guys have any guesses? Oh my goodness. This is the bag. Oh my goodness. Sorry about the sun, you guys. There we go. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. I love it. So it did come with the authenticity card and the tag. And yeah, this is the new medium boy in the black caviar with the gold hardware. And it's beautiful. I just love it so much. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.